South of Mumbai is the city of Hubli in the state of Karnataka, and the whole region is rapidly developing. It has a strong educational system and is rapidly becoming a powerhouse for engineering, design, and services. One of the most amazing things we found there was the Deshpandy Startups. It's actually a collaboration between the foundation, government, and a local university, and it was just absolutely spectacular. It's a beautiful workspace, very comfortable, and Deshpandy provides everything a startup needs to get going. There's no money required. It's all based on the ability to pay. Many startups start with just a desk or a workspace and a computer, but there's suites available. It's on a beautiful campus. Deshpandy provides courses on languages, business development, team building. Here's a computer lab that assists with programming training. If the business is involved in making a physical product, there's also a fully equipped and staffed machine shop available. It has everything that you might need to work with metal, wood, plastics. There was a lot of interesting things laying around. We saw actually somebody's working on a Hyperloop concept for transportation, and it was just amazing to see some of the work that they were engaged in. We only saw a small portion of the facility, but it looked like there was 40 or 50 very active startups. Also, it was really interesting seeing some of the agricultural startups working on agricultural productivity. Here's a group that was working on food preservation. They had some amazing products, and we actually had to leave before we ate up all the samples. There's also a huge focus on electronics. This company actually has a product that's going to be on the market in July of 2023. It's pretty interesting, and they did everything at Deshpandy from prototyping to manufacturing. This is the electronics manufacturing and design facility. It's available to all startups at Deshpandy. It's fully staffed, and they can even make a prototype for you, troubleshoot. You can even manufacture your product using their resources. It's fully equipped with everything in-house. It has a 27,000 piece per hour pick and place machine, fully integrated reflow soldering, board design and fabrication aspect. And the most amazing thing about this entire startup concept is that it encourages people from outside the region to collaborate, and you can even actually use many of the services. So if you have an idea or need help with a project, don't hesitate to contact me or Deshpandy. We can get you in contact with the right people. We really want to thank Deshpandy for taking the time to allow us to tour and understand more about their amazing work.